Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your very own Hulu account. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we need to do is jump into hulu.com, and then you need to go and download or open the Hulu app on your smartphone or your tablet, your smart TV, or whatever streaming device you're using. Browse the available subscription options and then choose the plan that fits your needs best. Hulu with ads is for budget-friendly streaming. No ads is for more uninterrupted viewing, or Hulu plus live TV is for all of the live channels. So go ahead and check out what's going to fit your needs. Provide your email address and create a secure password with an uppercase, lowercase, and some numbers. Enter your full name as it appears on your payment method. Add some payment info. So complete your registration by adding your payment details. The accepted methods include all major credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and select digital wallets to start your membership. This will all be region specific, so go ahead and check if your region is available. And then finalize your registration and begin watching literally instantly. You can access thousands of shows, movies, and exclusive originals across your compatible devices. Enjoy.